In 1934, American National Company created a truck that could be converted by the child himself into 5 different types of trucks. This is how the dump operated from a handle beside the driver's seat. When the handle was locked in place, the child could convert the truck into something different. Inside the bed of the dump truck there are slots. These ladder hangers slip in there. And once they're in there, the ladders that came with it go on the hangers and it becomes a fire truck. When the child inserted the wrecker boom, the child could wind the chain to raise the pedal car he was towing up to whatever level he wanted. Back in the day, before refrigerators, this was a common occurrence where the iceman would come and leave a block of ice on your front porch. Probably the most unique of the trucks is the Army Field Ambulance that it created when this canvas top was put over the back.